Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small Tuesday morning haul. But I want to say welcome to my channel, and how you guys doing today? And hopefully you are having an awesome day. I am. And I just have a little small quick haul. This is one of the sticker sets from Simply Stories. I don't know, they had like 5 different ones. I passed over the first day. I don't know why I did. Then when I went back to another one, now I had this one left. But I still like it and I can still use it. They also have had the cards that go, the Project Life cards and all the other stuff that go along with this particular, this one, what's this called? Best Year Ever. And the paper pad and stuff, but anyway, so I got it. I have a project in mind with that. And then this paper pad is on clearance. I already showed you I got the other one on clearance, more percentage than this, but I got this one because this one has the cutter parts to go along with the paper pad. And it was $5.99 marked down with another 20%, so it was like $4.79. And that's what you get. And like I said, you get some stickers and ephemera. And again, that's just for some layouts. And then I got some dies. I thought this was a different one. It was the Spinlet, and it is called Scribbles. This is the Elton die, those two scribbles. And I just thought it'd make cool backgrounds. You can do that in mixed media or even something like a clean and simple background. I got these two embossing folders. And this one, they don't have a name on them. Nope. They're different SKUs, but anyway. So this is Celebrate, Make a Wish. Something your special day. It's your special day. Yay. And celebrate. So you got all of those dies, and you got squiggly lines, a heart, and a star. So you get 8 dies and 1 embossing folder with the balloons. So that wasn't bad at all for $4.99. Just putting the prices weren't really crazy. And this one has 9 dies. I like this little like cheetah print. Excuse me, the background. I don't have anything like that. I thought that was cute. So you got a tag, which again, you don't have to use these dies at all with the embossing photo. You can use them totally without it. But you got a tag, you got a flower, LOL, swirl, another swirl, a heart. This one says hello. What did the other one say? Something, be, something, something. Wait a minute. You know I hate trying to read backwards. You've got this. That's that one right there. And this one, I can't tell what it is on the end. It looks like TH, I think. The first 2 letters look really weird. It looks like it's a 2-letter word. One word would be B, but B you think. That doesn't make sense. So I'm not sure what that is. But anyway, yeah. I have to cut it out to figure out what it is, because it doesn't say the name on it for you to Google it, because I was trying to Google it in the store. But for the price, and of course these are A2 size, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is, you know, your standard card, because you can make 2 out of a regular sheet of paper, 8 1/2 mm. And then I got this Eileen Husk. This is on her school boards, extra large. This is this called the display stand, and of course you can cut multiple different materials out of this. So, Eileen Home. And so I've seen this with it laying down and with it standing up. And of course it doesn't have to be a calendar. It's a display stand. So I thought you could figure out multiple ways to use this. So a little pricey, but I went on and got it because I was thinking of some stuff that I could use it for. So anyway, I don't know what's going on with Tuesday morning. Feast or famine. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.